Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily cast from an iPhone to your CHiQ L32 TV. So first, what you guys want to do is take your iPhone. So now open up something like YouTube, etc. and find a video, let's say. I already found a video. Now all you guys gotta do is, if you guys have the video here, then you guys have this little icon, which is the screen and the Wi-Fi icon. I don't know if it's focused in the camera or not, but if not, then here's a camera. It's second from the left. Now here you guys can choose the device, and here you need to find it. It's probably called AI Pond or whatever name you gave it. So now I'll just connect it, and here, as you guys can see on my TV, there's already YouTube opening and there is this video. So this is how you guys can easily do that. It works also with the Spotify and everything. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.